Spectrum routers operate on two main wireless frequency bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Each band has distinct characteristics that make them suitable for different types of devices and usage scenarios. The 2.4 GHz band uses longer wavelengths, which gives it superior range and wall penetration capabilities. However, it operates at lower maximum speeds, typically between 50 to 100 megabits per second. In contrast, the 5 GHz band uses shorter wavelengths, resulting in faster speeds of 200 megabits per second or more, but with reduced range and wall penetration ability. The 2.4 GHz band has only 11 available channels in the United States, with just 3 non-overlapping channels, 1, 6, and 11. This limited channel availability leads to significant congestion, especially in densely populated areas. Range and penetration differences become clear in a typical home environment. The 2.4 GHz signal can easily reach devices on different floors and penetrate through walls, making it ideal for smart home devices and IoT equipment throughout the house. The 5 GHz band, while faster, has more limited range and struggles with wall penetration. It works best for devices in the same room as the router, such as laptops, gaming consoles, and streaming devices that need high bandwidth. This comprehensive comparison shows all the key differences between the two bands. Notice how 2.4 GHz excels in compatibility and range, while 5 GHz dominates in speed and reduced interference. The 2.4 GHz band suffers from significant interference because it shares frequency space with many common household devices. Microwaves, Bluetooth devices, baby monitors, and garage door openers all operate in this same frequency range. The 5 GHz band has significantly more available spectrum, with 23 non-overlapping channels compared to just 3 for 2.4 GHz. This abundance of channels means less congestion and more reliable connections for devices that can use this band. Understanding these fundamental differences between 2.4 and 5 GHz bands is crucial for optimizing your network performance. This knowledge allows you to make informed decisions about device placement and band assignment to get the best possible wireless experience. There are 3 primary methods to separate your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands on a Spectrum router. You can use the web interface, the My Spectrum mobile app, or contact customer support for assistance. Method 1 uses the web interface. First, connect to your router via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Then open a web browser and navigate to either 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. You'll see a login page like this. Enter admin as the username and use the password found on your router label, or try password as the default. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless settings section. You'll see both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands listed with their current connection status and speeds. Change the SSID names to distinguish between bands. For example, add _2.4G for the 2.4 GHz band and _5G for the 5 GHz band. Then save your settings and restart the router. Method 2 uses the My Spectrum mobile app. Download the app from your device's app store, log in with your Spectrum account, select your network, and navigate to Wi-Fi settings to find the band separation options. Method 3 is the simplest. Just call Spectrum Technical Support at 1-833-267-6094. Request band separation configuration, and they can provide remote assistance for compatible router models. All 3 methods will successfully separate your bands. Choose the web interface for full control, the mobile app for convenience, or customer support if you need assistance with the process.